Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida. And by the way, that is my phone number right there. And what do we have today? Well, we're doing a review on a Bak industry product called the Revolver X4s. What's the S? Well, that's the latest model is the X2, X4. Now it's the X4s. Now, before we get into it, I want you to take a look. It's a nice and flush. It sits here really nice. It's such a super clean look. I like how it is. This one should be one of the better ones for water. Now, none of them are waterproof. I mean, people ask me, is it waterproof? No, they're not submarines. But this one's pretty good. So it's got a nice look to it. It's got a 5-year warranty. Now, of course, we installed it for them. So Truck Hero is going to do a double the warranty and make it 10. That's only if we install it. So let's go and take a look at this, how nice and clean this is. Really, really nice. Now let's go in here and show you how easy it is. Now, what's nice about this cover, you don't lose any space in the bed. Now, if you look here, you notice there's a left and right mechanism here to open and close this. Also, take a look at how large this seal is. Like, for example, all you saw was this little edge to it, right? This seal does a great job of keeping the water out, and that's real important. Again, in Florida, we rains non-stop here. It's like a jungle, man. Now, what's nice about this newer model, they changed this to silver to black, so it looks a little nicer, and it just rolls all the way up to the front here. Now, these right here, this little strap here, this is going to come around here, and there's a little spot right here. And now if you bring the camera on, you can see it better. It's basically, it's going to slide right in that little groove that I'm going to show you. Goes right in there, turns it, and then you're going to just snug it right up like that. Now, couple good things about this. First thing, you don't lose any space in the bed here. Also, you don't block your window. And if they had cameras up or anything like that, there's nothing being covered, so you can still see out here. You can still see if you have a camera up there. Really nice feature. Now, on the Toyota, if you notice, you got a cargo management system. This one lowers it. If you notice, it's down here now. It used to be up here, so you can still use this. You don't lose this. So you can see all this stuff is still on it. A really good design. I do like this. And I mean, Bak Industries does stand behind their product with 5 years, and of course with the double the 10, it's great, you know. And again, it's really easy to close. Now I get to the end here, just push it down. Whoops, there you go. Little blooper. But as you can see, it's really, really easy. Again, you can open and close this while the cover is down, so no problem. So some covers you cannot do that. This cover you can. It's a very good looking cover. It's got a great warranty. Now, the one of the drawbacks on this cover, I'm always going to tell you the pros and cons. If you notice, I open it all up, I close it up. There's nothing in between. It's either open or closed. So that would be the only negative I have on this, is that you can't have it partially open. But beyond that, it's great. I like this a lot. And if you like this, we can ship it anywhere in the country as installs go. This one's not too bad. It does take a little longer because you have to relocate all the cargo management system, which I mentioned earlier in the video. So that's going to add a little time to it. It's not super hard. From a scale from 1 to 10, it's a 5. So it's just going to take a little time, so keep that in mind. Of course, you can always come here and have it installed like this guest did. And we double the warranty if we install it, which is really nice. Again, if you like this, we ship it anywhere in the country. Texas, thank you very much. We appreciate the business there. And California's coming up, but Ohio's been buying a lot lately too, and North Carolina. So all you guys are great. Thank you so much. So if you want to get this, we'll get it for you. Just give us a call. The phone number's on the video. The website's on the video. We'll be glad to help you out. Again, if you like what you see, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Again, this is Chris doing a review of the Revolver X4s by Bak Industries on a Toyota Tacoma. Thank you.